Alright guys, what is going on? It's me, Parker here, and today I'm going to be doing something very different. I actually do play a game called League of Legends. I'm not very good at it, but I do like to play it a lot. I play more than Minecraft. Actually, I don't play Minecraft much, but I'll still record it. My name is Newbies with my awesome prestigious LB. It looks like I'm freezing here. Always nice, always nice. Alright, I'm back. So we're going to start off the game with, let's see what I get. I do play LeBlanc with my friend, Munchcrusher123, aka Sean. What's crack-a-lacking, guys. Anyways, I get a Darn's Ring and, Health Potion. I'm playing in Showdown. They have a game mode called Showdown, which is very nice. Basically, if you die 2 times, then you lose. If you lose a tower, then you lose. And if the enemy team gets 100 minion kills, then you lose. So yeah, I'll take away my hotbar right now. And yeah, let's wait till the game is started. Actually, I'll speed it up a little bit. Can I make it smaller? No, I cannot. Alright, well, let's keep going. I think this game is 10 minutes long, so that shouldn't be too bad. We just start off this game with some bad CSing, creep scoring, farming, killing the minions by me. Because he keeps taking it. He does go AP, but he's still good. Let's see. So yeah, all we do is basically we just keep farming. We do have a hard time, but we still win in the end because of me, because I'm OP, because I'm LeBlanc. LeBlanc's OP. I do pick those up, speed it up even more. Right. Right now the minion kills are 11 to 7. We are on 11, but 13 actually. But we still are doing bad. Alright. Go back here. So yeah, nothing particularly good right now. But yeah, still very well done. Let's see. Looks like I do poke that Lux a little bit. Anyways, guys, while you just watch them play, I'm going to talk about League of Legends. So basically, League of Legends is like those I don't even know what they're called, like MOBA games, like Dota 2, World of Warcraft, all those. It's a good game. It's released by Riot Games, and yeah. If you want to play the game, it will be in the description below. Just saying. And yeah, you guys should definitely try it out. You can transfer to different servers to get like better, internet. Because I do live in Australia, and when I play Minecraft, since like all the servers are on NA or something, like America, my internet's not the best there. But in League of Legends, since I'm on the Oceania server, aka Australia, it's actually really good. So yeah, I do get caught out here. I do get really low. I do recall here. I nearly die, but I do recall in time, just in time. I do pick up my Fiendish Codex for that extra 30 ability power and 10% cooldown. Some more pots. Yeah, I check that bush, get some more farm. Yeah, so. Yeah, I'll talk about the game modes now. So there's how many game modes are there? There's basically like 4 different types of game modes. Well, 3 actually. So there's normals, actually 4 normals, which is like where normal, like it's just for fun normals. And then we have ranked, which is for level 30s, which is the max rank, to like see if you can get to like Diamond, like Challenger League, which is the highest. Yeah, it's kind of just like testing you. I do juke out that Luxor there. Good play for me. Yeah, and then there's co-op versus AI, which is against bots for like those newer players. I do pick up that Lux right there. Greatly done. Let's see if I can slow it back. Hang on. Alright, jump back 15 seconds. Here we go. Use my ultimate, which gives that extra burst. Pretty strong. Let's continue. And then there's, yeah, those are basically it, actually. And then actually, yeah, there's ARAM, which is in this map, and but you can't recall and stuff. Yeah, and then I'm playing on a limited time. Sorry about that map. I mean, like game type, which is called Snowdown Showdown, just in the holiday season, which is really nice for them to do. Yeah, we can do everything in this game. It's just a lot more hardcore. Soraka does get a little bit pushed. I do go for that. He does ulti for no reason though. Looks like I do no damage at all. Go get yourselves a nice drink of water, because, you know, this is a long video, a little bit. Anyways, let's see. Why am I in slow motion? What the crap? Oh, what? I can't jump to... What? I don't get it. I'm in live right now. Oh, and then we do pick up that kill. Hang on. Let me jump back. Alright, let's see. Let's go to times 1. Looks like I will engage on that Lux sooner or later. I do ask for a heal here. So, there we go. I get healed. Get some mana. And then, I get caught out. This isn't the time. Alright, so I'm just like stalling my way. And Lux is a squishier, so I do pick her up. There we go. Use my Q to slow. GG. There we go. See, I killed them 2 times. And then we win. So thank you guys for watching. It's been Parker here. And let me know if you guys like me playing some League of Legends, some commenting some short games. And yeah. I'll link where to download League of Legends in the description. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye.